Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to explain more better how you can spot divergence when you are trading bullish and bearish trade, guys. So as I said in my last video, there are two types of divergence. We have bullish and bearish divergence. In bullish divergence, the price form higher highs while the indicators form lower highs. But in bearish divergence, the price form lower lows while the indicators form higher lows. So guys, make sure this condition that I said now, you saw it before you enter for divergence, because these are the criteria for this divergence. But I think some people don't understand how you can spot it. But in this video I'm going to show you guys, because not all the indicators that you see here that formed is divergence. Some are fake divergence. So in today's video I am showing you the real divergence, how you can spot your trade in bullish and bearish trend. So guys, here now I am back testing. I am trading volatility 10. I want to show you how you can spot it in case if you see it anywhere. So these indicators, if you have not watched my last video, check the description below, click it, watch, you will see the indicators used in this video. So guys, here are the criteria that you need to spot before you enter for divergence. Here are one, guys, for a buy. As you can see, here is the lower, here for a buy, here is for a buy now. So here is the lower lows. Are you seeing it? Lower lows. Are you seeing it? Here is a higher lows. Are you seeing it? Do you see the difference between the main and the indicator? They are not going in the same direction. In our indicator, the indicator is coming down when you draw it, while your chart is going up if you are drawing it. This is the real divergence. But guys, when you spot it that this one is up here and while this one is below here, and you saw it like this, you draw it like this, no guys, this is a no for you, because it might continue going down, and this is a yes for you, because this might continue going down because they are moving in the same direction with your indicator. So don't enter there for a buy. Don't enter there for a buy. The right way to draw your divergence is this way for a bullish trend. When you spot it like this, you wait for your moving average here to cross each other, then you enter for a buy. You enter for a buy, you take it. You can also scalp in a downtrend. When you saw it like this, you can also scalp, but you will not trade long, because you are trading against the trend. You are trading against the trend. So guys, let's check if you can see a sell trend, so that I'll also equally show you. If you are a new beginner, guys, this video is for you. But if you know you have knows it all, no need of watching this video, guys. No need of watching it. So let's check. So guys, this is what I am telling you. Despite that it came down, here is it, and as you can see now, it's showing us the same thing. So if you are a new beginner, I'll advise you not to enter this trade. I will advise you not to enter this trade, guys, because they are going in the same direction. It's my break here. My break has continued going up, guys. So I will advise you not to enter this kind of divergence. If you are entering, you make sure that the divergence goes this way. Are you seeing it? It goes this way. It shows that it's not going in the same direction, despite that it came down, guys. But don't be greedy in this market. Don't be greedy. It came down. The sell continues. but it might break and go up, so I will not enter. If I am the one, I will not enter. I will make sure I wait for the one that will make me not to lose my fund. So let me show you the best way to enter for sale. The best way you can enter for sale. Okay, let me check if I will say I've not seen a very good one. A very good one to enter for a trade, guys. So guys, here is a good one. Here is a good one. You can see it here. This is for sale. This is for sale. And you spotted it here. You spotted the second one here. And this is moving in different direction. Are you seeing it? For a bearish, your indicator will be showing you lower highs, while your price will form higher highs. Are you seeing it? That is the condition and the rules for divergence. The condition and the rules for divergence. So don't be greedy in the market. Do you see it? Then you wait for crossover here. You wait for crossover, you enter for a sell. You enter for a sell and you put your stop loss. Before I forget, don't trade without putting stop loss, guys. Always put your stop loss. As you enter above, then you put your stop loss there. You leave it, let it go, guys. You leave it. This is 15 minutes time frame. You leave it, let it go. You can take how many candles, then you leave the market. So guys, I think here is the criteria. In case if you did not understand the last video, you watch this one to understand it better. You watch this one to understand it better, guys. So thank you guys for your comments. I appreciate every comment that you people, because I am also learning more from your comments. So I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. My name is Blessing. In case if you are new to this channel, the name of my channel is BBFS Trading. And if you know this is your first time watching my video, you have not subscribed to my channel, this is the only way you can support me, by subscribing to my channel, like the video, and also comment down below, share it with your loved ones, guys. So guys, thank you guys, and see you on my next video. I appreciate you guys so much. Bye for now.